As recruiters, we are trained to source, screen, and schedule candidates, but most of us were never trained this one thing well. Start a conversation with a candidate. If your opening line sounds like,
Hi, this is Neha from XYZ Limited. Is this Rahul?
this video is for you, because that kind of cold robotic script doesn't really work anymore. Today I'll walk you through a calling script that sounds natural, confident, and human, inspired by a very subtle but a beautiful moment from the movie The Intern.
Hey Rahul, good morning. I'm Neha. I work with the people team at ABC Solutions. I came across your profile and really like the kind of work you've done at XYZ. Is now a good time for a quick 2-minute chat? Awesome. So we are currently hiring for a sales manager, and I feel your experience in the current company might be a great match. I'd love to give you a quick overview, and if it sounds aligned, we can take the next step. What do you think?
Now that's a conversation. It's confident but polite, personalized, not robotic, and it invites the candidate in rather than dumping information. Now, to instantly sound better on your calls, apply these 3 simple steps. Say their name clearly. It creates a human connection. Personalize your intro. Mention their company, work, or skill. Ask if it's a good time. It shows you respect their space. Bonus tip. Smile while you speak. It changes your tone even on the call. Remember, you're not just making a call. You're representing a brand. And often your call is the first impression a candidate has of the company. So if you really want better response rates, stronger connections, and the candidates that actually remember you, start by changing the way you speak. If you're a recruiter who's trying to make your conversations more effective and real, I hope this video helps. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, especially if you're on your way to becoming a more human recruiter.